Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to adjust shadow detail on Samsung Odyssey G6. To do it, click on the button on the back, then turn it up to go to menu and click on it. Go to picture and go to the right, then go down until you find the next page and select shadow detail. Now you can change the details of shadows by turning them down or up. And what it changes is if it's set to a higher value, the shadows, which are dark colors, will be a little brighter so you can see more details in them. And if you set it to a lower value, the shadows will be darker, so less detail will be visible. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.